Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's full aluminum doors on a Can-Am Maverick X3. So let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is open up our factory door. We're going to drill out the rivet that's holding the strap to the frame. We've already done this, so what we recommend that you do is get a drill bit that's just a little bit smaller than the center of the rivet, drill straight through it, pull the rivet out, and then disconnect the strap from the door. Once the strap's removed from the door, we're going to come right over here and remove the T30 Torx holding this cover on. Once we've removed it, we're going to slide the cover out. This door's been previously removed, so what we've done is we've put a bolt in place of the rivet. The factory machine is going to have a rivet there, or it may have a bolt. You just want to make sure that you remove the bolt or drill out the rivet so you can remove the strap. And we're going to take our strap and set it aside for the time being. Next, we're going to remove the two bolts securing the door to the machine. Pick up on the door, slide our latch away, and then just pick straight up as you're wiggling on the door, and it'll come right off. Then we're going to take our factory latch, remove it from the door, and set it aside for the time being. Now we're going to grab our door handle strap and our new door. We're working on the passenger side, so we have the passenger side door. We're going to start by taking it and sliding it through here. Then we're going to go to the back side of the latch. We're going to grab our M5 bolt, our flat washer, and our M5 nylock nut. We're going to put the bolt through the latch just like that. We're going to slide the strap through the bolt. And on the bottom side, we're going to put a washer and then our nylock nut. Once we have it good and started, we're just going to go ahead and fully tighten it. Then we're going to grab two barrel spacers from our hardware kit. We're going to take one and slide it right here, and we're going to take the other one and we're going to slide it right on to the hinge that we just removed from our factory door, just like this. With the door standing up like this, we're going to take our hinge, slide it right into this top hole. Sometimes it's a little bit of a tight fit. You just got to push down and wiggle, and it will eventually go all the way down, just like that. So then we're just going to angle it up and away from the machine. Then we're going to grab our door. We're going to line our door pin up with our door right here. We're just going to take it. Go ahead and get at the latch. We're going to take the provided M10 bolts and thread them into the factory location. We'll go ahead and get them started. Then once they're started, we're going to go ahead and run them down just a little bit until they touch. Then we're going to align the door. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and open it. See right there, ours wasn't very aligned. So what we're going to do, we're going to pick it up, make sure that our striker's all the way down. And we're just going to watch it. So right here is where the door needs to be adjusted to. So now our door is opening and shutting good. See, it's hitting the latch real good there. So now what we're going to do, so we're going to attach our door strap. We're going to grab the black M6 bolt and an M6 flat washer. We're going to attach the strap. We're just going to put our bolt right through here, right through the hole where it was previously riveted to the machine. Then we're going to thread it in to the hole that is tapped on the door. Then we're gonna repeat all the steps for the opposite side. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's full aluminum doors on this Can-Am Maverick X3. For more information on these doors, or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.